Hello Hello Hello，我是 Brandon Chiu，
Hi Felicia,
他是 Felicia，我们是 from
IQI
IQI
Reality.
Reality。我们今天有一个 property 要介绍，那天我们有一个 viewing，是一间 double story intermediate terrace house，在 Gala City 后面 Jalan Burong Durian。现在给你重新看过，因为今天有带我的 stabilizer 来。OK，现在我重新给你拍过啊，这次我会拍的比较好一点。OK，这个是它的客厅。这间屋子呢是4.3 4.3 points for sale，OK，只卖53万，bank value 差不多55万，我已经问过了，OK。4.3 point 5个房间，OK，这是他客厅。到时 owner 会把这东西全部搬走，owner will move all these things away，so you'll be buying a vacant unit 啊，vacant unit，OK。So I show you around the house first。我先带你们看这个屋子，OK，我们先带你看楼下，看厨房，OK。The kitchen cabinet will be included. Kitchen cabinet will be included. Got high kitchen cabinet and low kitchen cabinet 啊。Okay. Cooking space, kitchen is very big，很大的 cooking space。哎，这边有一个冰箱，这边有一个冰箱，这个厨房可以放2个冰箱。OK，这边有第二个冰箱，为什么呢？因为老公老婆都很爱孩子，很温馨的一个家庭，所以老公有一个冰箱，老婆有一个冰箱。OK，这个是阿北新，这是后面。OK，后面有放2架洗衣机。OK，然后后面有一个 store room，有 extend，所以有5个房间，楼下有2个 room 啊。一个 room inside the building 啊，有个 store 在后面。If you wish to extend, you can extend. This is a very big storeroom at the back. Okay, which they extended. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now we turn on the lights for you. Okay，这个是 storeroom 后面。到时啊，so behind the house is still got space for extension if you want. Okay, this house now is asking for 530,000. I already checked the bank value. The bank value is 550,000. So this is a below market value house. Okay. Okay, what you can buy with 530,000 nowadays? You want a new house, you want to have to go to all the way to Kota Samarahan. Kota Samarahan, Uni Central, Uni Garden, the houses there is about 515 for brand new house. OK， 你在 BDC 大致上很难找到500多千的屋子，然后又有5个房的，很难找了。OK, this is one of the 楼下那个房间 one of the rooms downstairs. Okay, spacious, nice. Can put super king size bed can fit. Then you can put a kitchen wardrobe there. 英文叫什么？梳妆台。这边有一个梳妆台。
Dressing table.
One dressing table, big mirror. So any size, you got any size can fit lah. Like me also can fit lah. OK， 这个是 staircase 楼下的一个小 storeroom, secret hideout 啊，小孩子可以在这边玩捉迷藏。Okay, very nice. Asking price now only 530. Okay, open for bidding. Soon we'll do an open house. Okay, this is the staircase going up. Staircase going up. Okay, decor very nice. This is 这什么 wooden laminated staircase. Okay, okay, you see, 你看这个床头档 you see how big is the bed, so you know how big the room can fit, how many beds. Okay, this one is a big surprise. First time I see a room with 2 king size bed, can sleep 4 people. My husband and wife and children all sleep together in one room. Okay, got curtain outside. Okay, bedroom wardrobe, all their stuff lah. Okay, so the room actually is quite big, super spacious, very nice. Okay, now got aircon. This is the toilet, nice and cozy toilet. Okay, Look, got one got water heater. This is for the children playground. Children to play padding with water. Now I show you the common toilet upstairs. High ceiling. Of course, this is an old house, no doubt. High ceiling. Now I'll show you the second bedroom on the first floor. Okay, one thing I like about the second bedroom is it's quite huge. Now you can't really get any huge bedroom like this even for new intermediate double story terrace houses anymore. Okay， 有的 semi-D 比这个房间还小这是它外面，所以它外面大致上呢有一个 balcony。OK， 我同事回一下帮我开。bedroom 外面大致上有一个 balcony， 还可以 extend。假如你觉得你要 extend 你的 balcony 呢，那你就 extend 你的 balcony。OK， 可以 extend， 这样你的房间会更大，very big。OK，grill 已经是 grill 了，所以买这间屋子那个什么？铁窗那门那些都省下来了。铁花 ，sorry， 我英文比较差，叫什么 grill 这全部 grill 都省下来了。我带你看第二个房间。OK，confirm 有 Unify我在用作network OK，all this stuff. Okay，this is the third room. Third room is same size with the second bedroom. Okay, big and spacious. Outside also got balcony which you can extend. Okay. The whole balcony is connected so you can extend. Okay. How big is the room? Is this big? You see, so you put a super king size bed, still got space, then you can still put a bedroom wardrobe, 梳妆台, dressing table. If you buy a condo some second room condo may not even have a size like this. What can you buy here for 500,000 plus? You either buy an old house or you buy a new project, condo project 1,000 plus square foot, also 500 plus thousand. Okay, so I think this is something that you guys can really consider. I would buy but I have too many property already. Every time the property I see I want to buy and that's why I have to make a lot of money Okay, this is Felicia.
Hello.
Felicia, this
I'm
is
the assistant again.
She's my she's my working partner today. So that's it from us. We'll be saying hi. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
If you're interested in this property, call us or WhatsApp us. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.